Hi chomps, welcome to Chomps Brigade. Today's our topic is LCM and HCF. So normally this topic is confuses to the students and the most of the students does not know the actual meaning of LCM and HCF. So now we will learn this topic. So and this topic is very interesting. So first we will learn from the LCM. So what is the full form of LCM? The full form of LCM is the least common multiple. And suppose if you want to find the LCM of two numbers x comma y, and the result will be the z. So this z should be the least multiple among its all common multiples of this x and y. Okay, same for the HCF. So now HCF is the highest common factor. This is the full form of a HCF. So now we will understand from the, let suppose if I take two numbers, let x comma y. So the HCF of this number, this two number x comma y is z. So this z should be the highest common factor of this x and y. Okay, among all its factors. So till now I think you didn't understand what I am saying, this x and y and this z. Okay, so now we will understand this topic by taking examples. Okay, so here LCM and this is the HCF. First we will understand the LCM. Okay, now I will take one example. First example 1, first problem. What is the LCM of 3 comma 6? So first I will write the multiples of 3 and 6. So what are the multiples of 3? 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15, and so on it goes. Okay. Now same, I will write the multiples of 6. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24, 6 5 ja 30. Now I want to find the common numbers. That should be the common for 3 and 6, and that number should be the least. Okay, so now here this 6 is the common for these two numbers, for 3 and 6. So this is the common number. So is there any common number? Here this 12 and this 12 is also a here common number. Okay, so among this 6 comma 12, 6 comma 12 are the common multiples. Among this 6 comma 12, which is the least number? The least number is the 6. So what is the answer? LCM of 3 comma 6 is equal to 6. This is the answer now. So normally this we found out by using a multiples, by using the method of drawing multiples. But actual if you will get this question in your exam, then how to find the LCM of this number? this 3 comma 6. So I will, this is the shortcut, 3 6, so 3. So here 2 3 will not divide, so 3 3 is 6. So next 3 1 is 3 1 is 3. So what is the multiply for this? 2 and 3. So you will 2 into 3, this is the 6. We got this answer same now. So this is the easy method. This is the actual meaning of a LCM. Okay, so now we will understand this LCM with another example. Okay, now example number is 2. So here LCM of 10 comma 20. So I will do directly here. So first I will do by two methods. First I will do with the multiply method, then is normal method. So here first multiples of 10. 10 1 ja 10, 10 2 ja 20, 10 3 ja 30 and so on. Same for 20. 21 ja 20, 22 ja 40, 23 ja 60 and so on. So here what is the least common multiple of this 10 comma 20? So what are the common for this 10 and 20? So the common is, see here 20 and here 20. So this is the common. Okay, and here in this one, here we will get one more number also. 10 5 ja 50, 10 10 ja 100. Okay, here in this also we will get the one more number, 20 5 ja 100. So this is also a common number. This is also a common multiple of a 10 and 20. But this among these two numbers, 10 comma 100, which is the least number, 20 100, which is the least number. The 20 is the least multiple. Okay, now we will understand this in a normal method. What is the LCM of a 10 comma 20? 2 1 ja 2 5 ja 2 10 ja. Next 5 1 ja 2. So here we will multiply this 2 into 5 into 2. So what is the answer? 20. We got this, both numbers are both the answers are same now. Okay, now I will give one example for you, homework for you. Do the LCM of 16 and 18. Okay, now we will understand the HCF of two numbers. HCF, this is the highest common factor. Now we will understand this starting with example 1. HCF of 3 comma 6. Okay, now we need to find the highest common factor for 3 and 6. So first we will write the factors for 3. So what are the factors for 3? 1 and 3. What are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3 and 6. Okay, now which is the common factor for this now these two numbers 3 and 6? Here 3 3, this is the common factor. So the HCF of this 3 comma 6 is the answer is 3. Okay, so we will find this is this HCF of 3 comma 6 with the normal method. So now see, this is the highest number, put in the inside the bracket. This is the least number. So 3 2 ja 6, 0 is the remainder. So what is the HCF? This 3 is the HCF. So this 3 and this 3 are both are the same. Now we will understand this HCF with the another example. Example 2. So here HCF of 10 and 20. So first we will write the factors of 10. 1, 2, 5, next 10. What are the factors of 20? 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, then 20. So among the factors of 10 and 20, which is the common? Here 2 is the common, here 2 is the common, 5 is the common, 5, 10, 10. So the common factors are 2, 5, 10. But which is the highest? The highest is the 10. So HCF of 10, 20 is the answer 10. Now we will do by the normal method. So this 20 is more than 10. So 20 should be the inside the bracket. So 10 is the outside. 10 to the 20. So here this 10, this 10, these two are the same. So this is the HCF of 10, 20 is the answer is 10. So now I will give a homework for you. Find the HCF of 16 and 18 and what is its answer, let me know in comment section. So thank you. I think you should understand. I think you understood this LCM and HCF concepts. Okay, thank you. We will meet in the next class.